Right now, you could be wasting hundreds of dollars every month without even realizing it. Subscriptions you forgot, overpriced purchases, missed deals, it all adds up. But what if AI could fix all of this automatically? Managing money manually is outdated.
How am I supposed to track all these expenses and subscriptions? It's impossible to check every price.
We don't have time to track every expense, check every price, or cancel every subscription. And that's exactly where AI comes in. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can start saving you money from today. No complicated setup, no coding, just real results. First, AI expense trackers. These tools automatically analyze your spending habits and show exactly where your money is leaking. From food delivery to unused subscriptions, everything becomes visible. Next, price tracking AI. Instead of buying at the wrong time, this tool monitors prices for you and alerts you when they drop. It's like having a smart shopping assistant that never sleeps. Number 3, AI budget planners. These tools create a personalized budget for you based on your income and spending. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just a smart system that keeps you on track.
I can't believe how fast this AI is generating cash and rewards.
Fourth, cashback and rewards AI. This tool finds the best deals, discounts, and cashback opportunities automatically.
He spent money anywhere, he gets the cashback.
You spend money anyway, why not get some of it back? And finally, subscription killer AI. It scans your accounts, finds services you don't use, and helps you cancel them instantly. This alone can save you hundreds every year. If you start using even 2 of these tools, you'll notice real savings within the first month.
Check this out. These free AI tools help me save so much money.
And the best part, most of them are free. If you want more videos like this, where you learn how to save money and build smart tools using AI.
Now smash that subscribe button.
Tell me in the comments, which tools are you gonna try first?